We visited the Ruth Bancroft Garden in Walnut Creek, California, and my whole life it was never far away from me, but I've never actually gone to the garden part. I have been to their nursery section a couple of times, but never to the paid admission section, but we wanted an outdoor activity and it was a nice fall day, so we decided to finally go check it out. It is a really lovely garden to walk through with mostly cactus and succulents. As I show you a bit of the gardens here, I want to talk about Ruth Bancroft, the woman behind all of this. Because at least around here, she's a bit of an icon. Just an incredible woman who started this garden. She has a wonderful story, but basically how this garden came to be was that she and her husband were living on the family farm. Sadly, it got rezoned and sold to developers in the late 1960s. In 1971, her husband got 3 acres of empty space on the property, and he said it was for her, but the stipulation was that the plants couldn't use a ton of water. She had started a succulent collection that got a little out of hand, as many of us can probably relate to, and alongside working with the designer, she created this garden, and it started to get a lot of attention and became the first garden to be preserved under the Garden Conservancy nonprofit, and her gardens became open to the public in the early 1990s. Today you can tour the gardens, and there are also events here. It's a popular place for weddings, and during our visit, they were starting to get ready for their holiday event where you can go at night with a light display. It's a really great place to learn about plants, and it's definitely a great place to gain some inspiration for your own garden, especially if you live in a warmer climate and are looking for drought-tolerant plants. Ruth Bancroft lived a long and full life, passing away at the age of 109. So I think maybe plants really are the secret to a long life.